Hey guys, today we're trying jelly. I had this before. Yeah, this is in my fridge actually. But I actually want to make a video of it.
Meredith has come to investigate the tomb
I
of
haven't had this.
father, the heretic king, Akhenaten.
Yeah, I had no idea what it tastes like when I first tried it.
After Akhenaten
We're gonna try it.
This is the royal
The
one.
blue.
It's where Akhenaten built several royal tombs. And this is where Tutankhamun would have been buried.
I think you're just gonna watch me. Okay.
Akhenaten decreed
I'll tell you about it
would be the
and
final
rate it
resting place for himself
stuff.
and his dynasty. This was to be his new Valley of the Kings.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, wow.
The
It's
walls
so slimy.
of Akhenaten's burial chamber
I
have
didn't
been
really
badly
cut
damaged
through
by
it
floodwater,
with my
and
finger.
little remains of their original decoration. Meredith searches for any evidence of the pharaoh's heretical religion, Artenism.
This is the sun disk, and it shows that this tomb belonged to Akhenaten. For him, the Aten was everything. His tomb must have been covered with Aten sun disks everywhere.
If you've seen the girl and guy thing. If you're watching this video, the guy that says and the girl, get a freaking real job! And never subscribe to my channel. The guy and the girl that keeps saying, I think it's the one that talks back with random numbers like, actually go outside and touch grass instead of saying, You seen that?
It disrupted the economy.
Subscribe, like and subscribe if you agree.
And left the
We'll talk about it.
and their priests in
I like it. The flavor tastes so good. The red version, I think it's kind of bitter.
And this is
But this may be better. It's so jiggly.
the
can
swords of
slurp
the
it
ruined
up.
state of the former temples, and that Tutankhamun restored them.
Not good.
So the
this stela,
I would give
makes
this
it
like a
very clear that
12 out of 10.
Tutankhamun had back to the way it was. And forget the entire
temples and sacred sites.
By the
all
way,
mention
don't forget to like and subscribe.
Akhenaten was
Thank you so
erased.
much for
His
76,
statues and
72
paintings
subscribers.
Tutankhamun even abandoned his father's new city, Amarna, leaving it to crumble into the desert.
Thank you for, oh my god. Okay,
Tutankhamun
the video is on my channel. Bye.
boy when his father. So